Hi, I'm Cliff with ABE Car Care Center. Do your brakes make noise? First thing in the morning when the car is cold, your first couple stops, that's normal. Today's brakes absorb moisture readily. You'll get a fine layer of rust on the rotors. Till you scrape it off, it's going to make some noise. But brakes that make noise after you're driving and when they get hot, there's something going on with those brakes. Does it pulsate when you stop? Is the pedal mushy feeling? You have to pump it to stop. Your brakes are in need of attention. Time to get them looked at.